this a new video, so which includes very good news for all the students, those who are going to be graduate in the year 2020. Okay, so what is the good news? So the good news is there is a huge recruitment drive for the students, those who are studying in BE BTech, so which is for all the branches, and also MCA students, those who are going to pass in 2020. Okay, so this is the drive which is conducted by the VTU CPC cell. Okay, so this supports the recruitment drive for smart brains in association with the MS Engineering College. This is the drive number 24. So you can see the company profile here, and I will give this link, this PDF file link in the description of the video. You can check out that, you can download. So next thing is, so recruitment is for the position of technical support engineer. Okay, and what are the eligibility criteria in order to get into this position? The eligibility criteria is, so BE or BTech, so you have to be 2020 passing out only. The student has to pass only in this year. And academic credentials or eligibilities are, so course completion year should be 2020, and it is for BE, BTech, all branches, even MCA, and SSLC, PUC and BE. Throughout you have to maintain 60% of aggregate. Then how many number of openings are there? So the number of openings are approximately 2000 requirement. So we have a requirement for approximate of 2000 candidates. And what is the selection process? Selection process is online interview, so which includes a technical round and thereby HR round, so which will be conducted, and email communication for the same will be sent to the registered candidates. So you have to register before the selection process. Then how to register? So let us see that one. So before that, what are the parameters you need to have? So parameters for the communication, that is in English. The candidate should be comfortable in speaking English, fluent in English communication. The other conditions includes CTC 2.2 lakhs you can take home for the first 6 months, and thereafter 2.7 lakhs CTC after the 6 months. And free transport facility will be available within the range of 20 km, and it is for BE, BTech, all streams, MCA, BCA, BSc candidates with a 60% throughout the academics. And designation network analyst, that is DCV DevOps, pure technical support profile. Okay, you can check out this. And free induction training will be there for 20 days, and during this period there is no stipend will be provided. You have to maintain yourself. And what is the last date for the registration? The last date for the registration is 26/4/2020. Then how to register? This is the registration link. So this link I will be provided in the description of the video. You can check out that. Okay, so please, if you like this video, just hit the like button. If you have any doubt, comment in the comment section. Share with all the students so that maximum can register and they will achieve a better prosperous career in their life. And if you want future updates from the VTU, you just subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that you will not miss any videos in future. Thank you for